Hello everyone, today we're comparing two popular interactive exercise bikes, the Myx II and the Peloton Bike Plus. So let's see which one offers the better cycling experience for your home workouts. So first up, the workout experience. So the Myx II emphasizes a more personalized approach with its heart rate based training, with a focus on cross training, offering a wider variety of workouts beyond just cycling, while on the other hand, the Peloton bike is known for its immersive cycling classes, led by a motivating instructors and its strong community aspect. Now let's talk about the bike itself. So the Myx 2 often comes with a more adjustable bike fit and a rotating screen, making it easier to transition between on-bike and off-bike exercises. The Peloton Bike Plus boasts a premium design and a larger, higher resolution touchscreen, enhancing the visual experience of the classes. Now let's talk about the content and subscription, since those are required for you to exercise. So the Myx 2 requires a subscription to its library of workouts, which includes cycling, strength training, yoga, and more. Now, the Peloton Bike Plus also requires a subscription to access its extensive library of live and on-demand cycling classes, as well as strength, yoga, and other fitness programs. Now, let's consider your fitness goals. So, if you're looking for a more personalized training plan with a variety of cross-training options, the Mix 2 might be a better fit if you're primarily interested in immersive cycling classes and a strong sense of community. Then the Peloton Bike Plus could be a more appealing option. Now, the price and value are very important factors to come in mind when you buy these types of exercise bikes. Now, the Myx 2 often comes with a more slightly lower price point compared to the Peloton bike, which is often have a high year recurring subscription cost. Now, ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual preferences and fitness goals. The Myx 2 is a strong contender for those who value personalized training with a wider variety of workouts. The Peloton Bike Plus is a compelling choice for riders who want an immersive cycling experience, motivating instructors, and a strong community connection. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.